Hello, gardening enthusiasts! Starting your own seeds in the world of gardening can be a thrilling experience. However, not all seeds grow and sprout successfully. The growth of seeds can depend on various factors like soil conditions, watering, light, and more. Here are 10 common mistakes you might make while starting seeds that could affect your garden. Feel free to drop a comment sharing your own experiences and tips as we learn together. Mistake number 1, overwatering. Overwatering is a classic problem in gardening. Have you ever watered your seeds too much and wondered how to avoid it? Let's discuss some strategies to keep your garden healthy without drowning those little seedlings. First thing to assess is soil moisture. Check the soil by feeling it with your fingers. If it's still damp, hold off on watering. Next, set a watering schedule but be ready to adjust based on your plant's specific needs. Make sure to use a well-draining seed-starting mix to keep water from lingering around the roots. All these measures will keep your plants from getting overwatered. Mistake number 2, underwatering. Let's look at the opposite problem, underwatering. To avoid underwatering, set a regular watering routine, invest in good quality soil, and remember that different plants need different amounts of water. It's all about keeping your seeds well hydrated for a healthy garden. Mistake number 3, incorrect soil. Now let's talk about the very ground your seeds are in, the soil. Choosing the right soil is like giving your seeds the perfect home. Choose a well-balanced seed starting mix, enriched with perlite or vermiculite for good aeration. This creates a nutrient-rich environment for our seeds to grow strong roots and thrive. Mistake number 4, incorrect depth. Planting seeds at the right depth is very important for their growth. Follow guidelines based on seed size, ensuring a secure starting point for their growth. Different seeds have different planting depth requirements. Look at the guidelines on the seed packet for accurate information. By following these guidelines, you give your seeds a stable and supportive environment for successful germination. Mistake number 5, lack of light. Lack of light can be a problem when starting seeds. Let's discuss the problems and possible solutions. Place seed trays in areas with lots of natural light. If sunlight is limited, consider using grow lights. By fixing the lack of light issue, you create an environment where your seedlings can grow and thrive successfully. Mistake number 6, poor temperature control. Managing temperature is important for successfully starting seeds. Poor temperature control can cause uneven germination, affecting when seedlings emerge. Exposure to extreme temperatures can stress seedlings, limiting their overall growth and development. Seeds need specific temperatures for germination, and changes from these ranges can hurt their development. Mistake number 7, crowded seedlings. Dealing with crowded seedlings is a common issue. Overcrowded trays lead to serious competition among seedlings for resources like sunlight, water, and nutrients. This can result in stunted growth. Overcrowded seedlings are also more likely to get diseases due to limited airflow and increased humidity. Avoid this by removing extra seedlings, leaving only the strongest and healthiest ones in ground. Mistake number 8, not hardening off. Hardening off is a crucial step in seedlings' transition to the outdoors. Moving seedlings directly from an indoor controlled environment to the outdoors can shock them, leading to stress, wilting, or damage. By hardening off your seedlings, you ensure a smoother transition and increase their chances of surviving in the outdoor environment. Mistake number 9, using old seeds. Seeds, like food in your pantry, have a life. Over time, seeds become less viable, leading to lower germination rates and weaker seedlings. Planting old seeds can lead to unpredictable outcomes, with some seeds germinating while others don't. Old seeds may not perform as well as fresh ones, affecting the overall health and strength of the plants. Check expiration dates and do a germination test. By using fresh and viable seeds, you set the foundation for robust and healthy plant growth. Mistake number 10, skipping labeling. Labeling trays is a crucial step in maintaining an organized and successful seed starting process. Labels help avoid mix-ups and confusion, ensuring you know exactly what you've planted in each tray. Well-labeled trays make it easy to plan and track the progress of your seedlings. Label trays to keep your garden organized. With these tips, we've covered the 10 common mistakes made when starting seeds. To master the art of starting seeds, it's important to recognize and learn from these mistakes, which will guide us towards a healthier garden. Happy gardening, and see you next time!